everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how you can remove some keyboards on your iPhone. So here, if you want to remove some keyboard, you just need to swipe your screen into the left side until you found this app library, and then you just need to tap into the settings. The next, you just need to scroll down a little bit until you got this general and just tap it. Now scroll down a little bit again until you got keyboard. Tap on the keyboard. On the first rows, there could be a keyboard options there, so you just need to tap on it, and this number could be symbolize the total keyboard that you have. And the next, that could be the keyboard collection that you have here, and if you want to delete one of them, you just need to swipe into the left side of the keyboard that you want to delete, and then you just need to tap delete, and you're done. So that's for this tutorial. If you get confused, just drop into the comment sections for your question, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll let see you for the next video.